When we look at a simple carrot, we rarely think about what happens after we eat it. This bright orange vegetable may seem ordinary, but inside the human body it triggers a fascinating chain of biological processes that support health, energy, and protection. In this video, we will take a scientific journey inside the human body to explore what happens when carrots are eaten, from digestion and nutrient absorption to benefits for the eyes, brain, gut, and immune system, and even possible side effects. We will break it all down step by step. The journey of a carrot begins in the mouth. As you bite into it, your teeth break the carrot into smaller pieces. This mechanical process increases the surface area, making digestion easier. At the same time, saliva mixes with the food. Saliva contains enzymes that begin breaking down carbohydrates. Although carrots are crunchy, this early stage of digestion is essential for preparing nutrients for absorption later in the digestive system. Once chewed, the carrot moves through the esophagus and enters the stomach. Here, powerful stomach acids and digestive enzymes take over. The stomach churns the food, breaking it down into a semi-liquid mixture. This process releases important nutrients, including beta-carotene, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The partially digested carrot enters the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny structures called villi. These villi absorb nutrients and transport them directly into the bloodstream. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, especially night vision. It supports the retina and helps the eyes adapt to low-light conditions. Antioxidants from carrots help neutralize harmful free radicals. This protects cells from damage and reduces long-term inflammation. In the brain, antioxidants help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. This supports memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. One of the most important benefits of carrots comes from dietary fiber. Fiber is not fully digested, but it plays a key role in gut health. In the intestines, fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria support digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune balance. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, stronger immunity, and improved overall wellness. Carrots also support the immune system. While carrots are healthy, eating too much of anything can have side effects. Excessive carrot consumption may cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, especially in sensitive individuals. In rare cases, some people may experience allergic reactions, including itching or swelling. Consuming very large amounts of beta-carotene over time can cause the skin to take on a slightly orange tone. This condition is harmless, but it signals excessive intake. The importance of balance. The key to benefiting from carrots is moderation. Including them as part of a balanced diet provides nutrients without overwhelming the body. Carrots work best alongside other vegetables, proteins, healthy fats, and whole foods. Final thoughts. This simple vegetable shows how powerful everyday foods can be. From digestion to nutrient delivery, carrots support vision, brain function, gut health, immunity, and energy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with friends for best healthcare.